Hey, this is Ali from FX Orderful channel, and in this video, I'm going to talk about why I closed 50% of my position on risk reward ratio of 1. At least in most of my trades, I do that. And if you're following my channel, you know that with the strategy that I have a really accurate entry for reversal points, but there's one tiny problem with that. And the problem is that the stop loss for my trades are really tight because I get the reversal points, and also I have order flow in 1 minute, so I can lower my stop loss as much as possible. So if you're doing that, there's the problem that you might, even though you're right in a trade and everything in a trade it might be right, you could still get stopped out. And after you get stopped out, sometimes you get a re-entry and sometimes you don't. So that's the main reason that I do that. If I want to show you guys one of my recent trade is a perfect example for this topic. So this is a S&P 500, and in this area I was bullish on S&P 500, and we had a point of control around here. We also had more areas right now, but I don't want to talk about them because the video would be much longer than this. So there was a really good support area for me down here, so I was looking for buys, and in 1 minute this happened. So we got really close to that, and the 1 minute showed really good absorptions here, sell absorptions here, which is a good sign. And then right after that, buyers entered the game. So I entered somewhere around here, and my stop loss was right down below here. So as you can see, eventually I got stopped out, but I did hit my risk reward ratio of 1 somewhere around here. I closed 50%, and when the market was coming back, I was expecting a retest, but not expecting to break the low. So we broke the low, and it was too risky to re-enter because the delta, as you can see, was lowering really hard. We got even lower than what we were beginning down here. So after this candle with a really good buy delta in it, I did put a buy limit order around here because the main area of absorption for me was this. So I did put a buy limit down here, and the market didn't activate me. It just flied away. So I couldn't even re-enter here because the stop loss would be too high for me. You might ask that why don't you enter when the stop loss is too high? You could still make a profit. Yes, I can still make a profit, but there's a reward ratio for me would decrease significantly, and this is not good for my strategy because the win rate of my strategy is low. It's like at the best case scenario is 40%, so it's something between 30 to 40. But on the other hand, the risk reward ratio of my trades are at least 4. Most of the time it's much higher than 4, but it is at least 4. So that's why I don't do that. So in this trade I could lose money, but instead of losing money, I closed 50% on the risk reward ratio of 1. And then when my stop loss got hit, I didn't lose anything. Yes, I didn't make anything also, but I didn't lose anything. And the market flied away, and after that, and I could make a trade on this with the risk reward ratio of 20 or even higher. But unfortunately, I got to stop that. I wouldn't hold it till like the risk reward ratio of 20. I will hold it like 10 at most 10 would be nice, or even lower like 8, but I'm just saying that it could go even higher. So as you can see, my reversal points on hourly are way too good. That's why you can make much more money. As you can see, the trade was around here, and as you can see, the market flied away. I do have an open position now that I'll upload a video about it in my channel, but yeah, as you can see, the trade was way too good. So as you can see, this is the main reason that I do that, and it works really good with my strategy, but it doesn't mean that it's going to work with yours. So you have to customize your own strategies if you want to do this and see if will make your results a bit better, or it just makes it worse. So it depends on your strategy. Don't do the same that I do. Just because I do like close on 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, it doesn't mean that you also should that, because it is good for me, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be good for you.